In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google nanobanana within OpenArt AI. First, head to the OpenArt homepage. Hover your mouse over the Images area on the main navigation until you see the creation options appear. This hover reveals where you'll start new generations. Next, click Create Image to open the image generation workspace. This is where all the controls for your model, prompt, and output settings live. In the workspace, look for the Model section and click Switch. This button lets you change from the default model to the one we want to use for this tutorial. From the model list, select nanobanana. If you don't immediately see it, use the search bar at the top, type nanobanana, and choose it from the results. Selecting the correct model up front ensures the style and capabilities match what you're aiming for. Now, upload your image reference. You can usually drag and drop or click to browse your files. Choose a clear, well-lit photo with the subject centered and not cropped in a way that cuts off important details. The cleaner your reference, the better guidance the model gets for composition and style. With your reference in place, type your prompt. For example, you could write, "The woman in reference image is wearing a long beige trench coat, black turtleneck sweater, high-waisted tailored trousers, and leather ankle boots. She is standing on a cobblestone street in Paris near the Eiffel Tower at sunset." Aim to be specific about clothing, setting, time of day, and mood. Keep sentences clear and avoid conflicting directions so the model doesn't get confused. Adjust the aspect ratio to match your intended output. Square is great for social feeds, 3:4 or 4:5 works well for portraits, and 16:9 suits widescreen scenes or banners. Picking the right ratio up front reduces the need for heavy cropping later. Set the number of images you want to generate. More images give you variety to choose from, but they take a bit longer and use more credits. If you're experimenting, start with a small batch, then increase once you're close to your ideal look. When everything looks good, click Create. Give the model a moment to process. Generation times can vary based on demand and image count. Once it's done, click Preview to review your results. Open each image, zoom in to check details, and compare them against your prompt and reference. If something's off, tweak the prompt, adjust the aspect ratio, or swap your reference, then generate again until you're satisfied. That's it. Now you know how to use nanobanana inside OpenArt to turn a clear idea and a strong reference into polished visuals.